How to verify your PayPal account fast after ID rejection. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily re-verify your PayPal account. If PayPal rejected your ID, you don't need to panic. So it usually happens due to clarity issues, mismatch of details, or even expired documents. So here's how you can get verified fast. Open up your PayPal, whether it's your app or browser. I'm currently using it on my web browser. Then you need to go ahead and re-upload a clear high-resolution document. You need to take photos in bright light, avoid glare, and ensure all of the corners of your document are visible. You can do that by going over to submit your info to access funds, and here you'll have an option to upload your document. You need to use original document and not a screenshot or a photocopy. Then you need to make sure that the text, holograms, and photo are sharp and readable. Just tap on Resolve down below, and from here you need to select your document type. Tap on the drop down and select the type of your document, whether it's your driver's license, passport, national identity card, or official government issued photo ID. Just select any one of them and you can just tap on Add File. And you need to be sure that the file does not exceed 5 megabytes each. So once that is done, you need to upload uh, your document and match the details exactly. So your PayPal name must be your name on the government ID, and if there are any spelling or formatting differences, make sure you correct that. You can also try to add additional documents. So it'll ask you to choose an action. You can directly open your camera and take a picture from here, or you can just select a previously taken picture from your photos and videos option. And for your additional support documents, you can add a proof of address like your utility bill, bank statement, or even government letter, and then resubmit your request. So just tap on submit down below and you're going to be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.